This is scenic Blind Bay on beautiful Shuswap Lake in British Columbia. Today we're going to visit 2572 Bayview Road. If you're looking for an elegant, spacious, energy-efficient, thoughtfully and solidly built home situated in a primo location close to everything, this is it. Upon entry, we're greeted with a grand foyer and chandelier, gleaming hardwood floors, and the airy spaciousness of cathedral ceilings. On the main level, a formal living room adjoins the dining room, and one of the very unique features of this home, a stunning sunroom. In keeping with energy-efficient design principles, the windows in this home are primarily located on the south side and are minimized on the north, thus enabling considerable passive solar heating benefits. This sunroom is bathed with natural light. Its direct connection to the luscious gardens outside provides a very pleasant and inviting area for relaxation and entertaining. In the winter, the natural gas fireplace provides cozy comfort. Adjacent to the sunroom is the spacious family or TV room, which adjoins the kitchen in a convenient open-concept design. The huge modern kitchen has ample cupboards and countertops to satisfy the most discerning chef. Cream-colored cupboards are highlighted by modern espresso cabinets and stainless steel appliances. Another unique design feature of this home is the very convenient wet bar or servery located between the kitchen and the dining area. Entertainers will love this great design idea. The main floor is completed with a large laundry room, bathroom, and entry to an oversized garage. Moving upstairs, we have an enormous primary bedroom with a French door walkout to a private Juliet balcony. There's a walk-in closet, but a really unique feature is your huge ensuite with an SSWW steam room cabinet, which includes a rainforest showerhead, steam shower, aromatherapy, multiple jet nozzles, LED color light therapy, stereo, radio, telephone, seat, and hand wand. You can truly enjoy a full spa experience without ever leaving your ensuite bathroom. Complementing the steam spa is a custom-made dual vanity and heated floor. Moving upstairs to the third level, we have an open loft office which overlooks the sunroom. Clear-story windows provide warmth and ample lighting in an energy-efficient manner. The third level is finished off with 2 large bedrooms and a 3-piece bathroom. Here's another exceptional feature of this unique home: the huge heated shop, which has a double-door exterior entry and measures approximately 13 feet by 28 feet. Built-in shelving and workbenches will have great appeal to the handyman in your family. Moving to the lower level, we have a number of storage areas, utility room, and a media room, which is just waiting for your entertainment system. So, let's summarize what we viewed today. At 2572 Bayview Road, we have an upscale home with 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, loft office, 3,272 square feet, and 692 unfinished square footage on 0.29 acres, huge shop, oversized garage, media room, and a unique spa shower in the ensuite bathroom. This home was custom designed to be energy efficient, using R2000 standards. This includes an energy efficient design, ICF concrete foundation, low E argon windows, highly efficient hot water heating with heat recovery ventilation, 2-inch by 6-inch wall construction, and additional insulation throughout. The quality build of this home is very evident with the central air conditioning and vacuum, 100-year metal tile roof, a water filtration system, and PEX plumbing. The list of features with this home is almost endless. And with all these features, it's really easy to overlook what the current owner has enjoyed the most: the terrific sunroom, the outdoor concrete patio, and backyard. With its in-ground irrigation, water feature, gardens, and numerous perennials, the backyard is an exceptional oasis just waiting for you. If you would like to experience 2572 Bayview Road firsthand, or would like to learn more, Please don't hesitate to contact Paul Deminock of Remax Shuswap Realty at 250-253-2387 today.